Hey Jennifer, Eddie, Multi-Man Services, about the gutter cleaning and gutter guard replacement. Take a look at the videos down below that kind of explain our options for gutter guards. Regardless of what option you choose, you're always going to have to do some sort of maintenance once every 3 years. But the guards that we offer make it easier and efficient for us to clean them out. There's lots of options out there, the bullnose, type gutter guards or other styles, and oftentimes guards can cause more problems than they solve. But in my opinion, gutter guards are way more efficient than just allowing the stuff to sit in your gutters. So I got a good measurement of your gutters. Gutters seem like they're in good condition to do an upgrade to them and allow for an additional feature of protection. So check out the options below. Look forward to working with you, Eddie. My name is Eddie, and we'll take good care of you. Thank you.